From the darkest depths of man's soul emanates a great evil. For the Imperial Toy Maker wishes to avenge his master. Disguised as lovable playthings, he has created an army of mechanical minions enhanced by modern technology to wreak his revenge upon the unwitting peoples of the West. Upon their shelves they wait.
Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up. Wind up, stomping monkeys made for girls and boys. Wind up, stomping monkeys programmed to destroy. Wind up, stomping monkeys with their master plan. Wind up, stomping monkeys want to replace man. Who will stop them? Stop the monkeys! Who will stop them? Stop them now! Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up, stomping monkeys. Wind up. Wind up, stomping monkeys beating on their drums. Wind up, stomping monkeys rolling drunken bums. Wind up, stomping monkeys want to take control. Wind up, stomping monkeys come to eat your soul. Who will stop them? Stop the monkeys! Who will stop them? Stop them now!
Newsflash! Armies of wind-up stomping monkeys are fast approaching all major American urban areas, including Washington, D.C. The president has authorized the use of atomic weapons. Hide. God bless us all.
Stomping monkeys made for girls and boys. Wind up, stomping monkeys programmed to destroy. Wind up, stomping monkeys with their master plan. Wind up, stomping monkeys want to be stomping monkeys. Wind up stomping monkeys. Wind up stomping